And we're joined by Shane Scott of Eat Clean, finally open now at the corner of Harvey and Burtch. We were expecting you to open in January, but a few delays?
Yeah, it's been a long road, very long road, but what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So, yeah, me and my family have went through quite a bit to get here, but we've had such a warm response from this community, and that's actually what has pushed us to keep going forward. The demand for somebody, we have our cheaper dishes, which aren't as healthy for you with regards to fast food. We also have the $50, $60 plates, but now there was no middleman. So here we come in, and the public has been eating it up. We had a great turnout a couple days ago. It was a grand opening. We had a wonderful response, and meal prep has been picking up substantially, and we've had nothing but great reviews with regards to the meals that we're serving. Our juices and smoothies are pretty well cheaper than any other place around, and we use all fresh ingredients.
Okay, so what we found interesting about this place from the onset was that you have your entire menu based all about nutrition on up. It's not sort of here's what we're making and we'll tell you what the nutritional elements are. You're thinking about nutrition before you even start to make it. Am I right?
Yeah, and the reason why we're doing that is because we understand that everybody has specific goals. Not everybody's the same. Everybody has a different lifestyle. Some people are into fitness, some people aren't. But the culture of this community is just based on staying healthy. So what we want to do is customize a menu that would adhere to people in the fitness world, people that literally just go for a walk throughout the day to maintain a good, healthy cardiovascular system, and people that just want to eat good, simple food. We're trying to bring simple back, but keep it healthy and give you the choice on what you want.
So you've got something here for vegans?
We have vegan, we have paleo, vegetarian, we also have a keto menu, we have all-day breakfasts, kid menu, and healthy favorites as well. We have many gluten-free options. Our beef is grass-fed, and we have no pump chicken, so it's actually good, simple, organic food.
And so open a couple of days and people are finding you?
Oh yeah, they're finding it great. Like, we just had some more come in. But yeah, it's awesome.
And you also mentioned meal prep, which is something that I hadn't heard of before. So nutshell that for us.
So the concept is with a lot of meal prep places, they like to put together just a few dishes and that's all you have to choose from. But I like to go back to where I said everybody has a specific goal. The only way to do that is give you what you need and what you require. So when you come in here, you would pick your carb, protein, and vegetable all by weight. So the options are almost endless with regards to customizing your meals. You can always have a new meal regimen every week after week after week.
So if I wanted to come in here and eat, I could have someone who's a heavy-duty bodybuilder, someone who's on a big weight loss program, someone who's gone keto on us, a vegan, a vegetarian, and a hardcore meat eater.
You can put them all at the same table and we can feed them.
All right, Shane Scott from Eat Clean, Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you for watching Kelowna Now.